Hey guys, it's Alicia. Today, I'm going to show you some ways to fix SSL connection errors. You can still run into SSL connection errors even after installing your SSL certificate correctly and forcing traffic through HTTPS. In many cases, these error messages can drive users away. Understanding what causes SSL errors will help you prevent them from popping up on your website. You'll also know what to do if you run into them, depending on the message you see and the browser or OS you're using. In this video, we'll explore what may be causing these SSL connection errors and how to fix them. Before we get too far though, I want to let you know there will be links to more resources in the video's description. And remember, subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications for future helpful content. All right then, let's get to it. If you're not in charge of a website, there's little that you can do when it comes to fixing server-side SSL connection errors. However, some issues can occur due to problems with your local device or browser configuration. If you run into an SSL connection error in Google Chrome, there are several quick fixes that you can implement. First off, make sure you're running the latest version of Chrome. You can update Chrome from within the browser itself, or you can download and install the most recent version from Google Chrome's website. Next, check if your system's time and date are synchronized. If your device's time is not correct, you may run into SSL connection issues throughout the web because some SSL certificates rely on internal system clocks for validation. An incorrect time or date on your computer can lead to errors as your browser can't verify these certificates. On Windows, you can fix the time and date by opening the Settings menu and selecting the time and language option. On the next screen, make sure that both Set the Time Automatically and Set the Time Zone Automatically options are enabled. Alternatively, you can select your time zone manually and enable the Set the Date and Time Manually option. If you're using Chrome on macOS, open the System Preferences menu by clicking on the Apple icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select the Date and Time option and enable the Set Date and Time Automatically setting. Once you've fixed the date and time, try accessing the website that showed an SSL connection error in Chrome. If the problem persists, move on to clearing your Chrome cache and cookies. To do so, open the Settings menu and click on Clear Browsing Data. A window will pop up, enabling you to select what data you want to clear. If you're using the basic settings, select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cache Images and Files. Then hit the Clear Data button. Another fix that you can try is to clear the SSL slate in your operating system. To do so in Windows, open the Start menu and search for Internet Options. Click on the result that comes up and an Internet Properties window will pop up. Jump to Content and click on Clear SSL Slate. Clearing the SSL slate will remove all the certificates stored locally on your computer. The next time you reload the website giving you SSL connection errors, the browser will attempt to revalidate its certificate and, in doing so, might clear the error. If you're using macOS, clearing your SSL slate works a bit differently. Open your Utilities menu and go to Keychain Access. Select the Systems option under Keychains in the left-hand menu, and you'll see an overview of all the SSL certificates that your system stores locally. You can select certificates individually and delete them manually. If you spot a certificate for the website you're trying to access, delete that one first, then check to see if the SSL connection error persists. At this stage, if all else fails, temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall. We suggest this as a last resort because in most cases, your antivirus software won't cause issues with SSL connections. Even if you try every fix and nothing works, you can assume that the SSL connection problem lies with the server. Fixing SSL connection errors in Firefox works much the same as with other browsers. Implement the following fixes. First, check your system's date and time and adjust them. Then clear your local SSL slate. If neither of those solutions works, then it's time to clear your Firefox cookies and cache. To do so, go to the Options menu and jump to the Privacy and Security tab. Then, click on the Clear Data button under Cookies and Site Data. Try accessing the website with the SSL connection error once more. If your browser fails to establish a connection, check to see whether there's a new version of Firefox that you can update. So far, we've covered multiple fixes for the SSL connection error that works across OSs. If you're using Safari, start by following the same instructions given previously. Check your system's date and time and adjust them. Then clear your local SSL slate in macOS. If the SSL connection error persists, you can move forward and clear your Safari cookies and cache. If you're using an iMac, MacBook, iPhone, or iPad, The exact instructions apply here. First, open the Safari settings menu, then click on Clear History. With that out of the way, try to access the website that gave you an SSL connection error before. The error should be gone now unless you're dealing with a server-side configuration issue. The process for fixing the SSL connection error on an iPhone or an iPad is identical to doing so on macOS. First, you need to check if your device's date and time are synchronized. To access your mobile device's date and time settings, open the Settings app and select General, then Date and Time. Check if the Set Automatically option is enabled. If it isn't, then turn it on. Manually check if your device is using the correct time zone. After updating your date and time settings, you can move on to clearing your browser's cookies and cache. To do so, open the Settings app and select Safari, then Clear History and Website Data. If you've installed a different browser on your iOS device, the process should still be similar. Unfortunately, the most recent versions of iOS have removed the option to clear your SSL slate on your iPhone or iPad, so this is not a viable solution. If none of the fixes mentioned work, you can assume the problem is server-side. Fixing the SSL connection error on Android is relatively simple. First, go ahead and check your time and date settings to see if they're accurate. Open the Settings app and tap on General Management, Date and Time. Then check if the automatic date and time setting is enabled. It's important to note that, like iOS, Android doesn't include an option for clearing your SSL slate nor deleting individual certificates. What you can do to fix SSL connection errors is to clear your Chrome browsing data. To do so, first open the Chrome browser and access its Settings menu. Then go to Privacy and Security. Tap on Clear Browsing Data, then select your browser's cookies and site data and cached images and files options. Then tap on Clear Data. After clearing your Chrome website data, check if the SSL connection error persists. If it does, the chances are that it's a server-side configuration issue. If you run into an SSL connection error on Facebook, you can be sure that it's not a server-side issue. That means you're dealing with a local configuration problem. Here are the fixes that you should implement. First, adjust your local time and date settings. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Then clear your OS's SSL slate or delete any local certificates for Facebook. You won't run into SSL connection errors while trying to access Gmail using mobile apps. However, SSL errors might pop up if you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari to access Gmail's web service. In that case, you should adjust your local time and date settings. Then clear your browser's cache and cookies. Finally, clear your OS's SSL slate or delete any local certificates for Gmail. If everything else fails, you can access Gmail using a mobile app while you try disabling your firewall temporarily or updating your browser to its latest version. SSL connection errors on YouTube are likely due to local configuration errors within your OS or browser. If you run into an SSL error in YouTube, adjust your local time and date settings. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then clear your OS's SSL slate or delete any local certificates from YouTube. SSL connection errors can come in a lot of shapes and sizes. If you're dealing with a server-side error, there's often little that you can do except wait for the site's owner to fix it or proceed with an unsafe connection. Kinsta's WordPress hosting can speed up your website by up to 200%, and you'll get 24/7 support from our expert WordPress engineers. Let us show you the Kinsta difference. Try a free demo of our My Kinsta dashboard at demo.kinsta.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this.